These are the people, they have physically assaulted me.
To use force now.
You
like this. Please don't do that.
प्लीज
Don't
कोऑपरेट
do that.
लीगल एक्शन है
Then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है आप जो करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
you were assaulted,
Shamo,
no?
they've assaulted.
Yes, yes, I have got that all live. That's gone live, that assault.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name.
Yeah, what is his
आप
name?
चलिए
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is
Shamo,
this.
1 second.
This is it. Okay, guys, everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer.
Nivedita,
Guys.
Shamo, 1 second, 1 second. These
Yeah.
people are physical. I just want to give a report before
Yeah.
going. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी
These people have entered my house and
आप
physically
लीगल
assaulted
एक्शन
me
के लिए
today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and
This
Sachin
gentleman,
Vazee
this gentleman.
has entered my house illegally.
Illegal,
and physically assaulted
illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire
Why
incident.
he physically assaulted me? I want to file a case on it.
तो उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन लेंगे
He has
लेकिन अभी तो
physically
आपको चलना
assaulted
पड़ेगा। वो आप लीगल एक्शन
He
लेंगे
has physically, I want action against Sachin Vazee and this person, Praveen Patel.
Where is that Sachin Vazee run
Physically
out?
assaulted
Where has
me.
he escaped?
Who
there
physically
he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements and come. You please go down, I'll make arrangements and come.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I need
Use
to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If
We
you
know
say
the
that
law.
you're going to use force,
Please
it will
use
be
force.
shown to them.
We will show it live.
requesting you please
No,
cooperate
you
with police.
assaulted. No, you assaulted. You assaulted and he assaulted.
I am requesting you Arnab please cooperate with us
Well, you
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly.
legal
Very
action
calmly.
as per your request
Now
we are
let's
standing
put it
since
back.
last
Now
2
let's
hours
put it back.
since last 2 hours I am standing there
You have physically
No.
assaulted me, I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and come. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and come.
वो भी मिलेगा
नहीं, we
Physically
will.
assaulted me.
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा लीगल एड भी मिलेगा लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा कोऑपरेट कीजिए
I need
We would like to record the physical assault.
arrangements for my family members. Please, Shamo, just record this.
Yeah, we are recording everything. We are recording. Everything is live. Everything is live.
My family to can you leave the room? You need privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family. I need to make
प्लीज आप लोग उनको तबीयत खराब लग रहा है प्लीज उनको छोड़ दीजिए
रिक्वेस्टिंग प्लीज कोऑपरेट
You know, it's shocking. It's extremely shocking and disturbing to wake up in the morning and see a nationalist journalist like Arnab Goswami be arrested as though he's a terrorist, as though he's a murderer. You might have cases against him, you might have the TRP scam or this old case that you have reopened. But the manner in which you are treating him is unbecoming of the journalist and the nationalist that he stands for. It's not that he would have not cooperated. In fact, the Republic TV has been cooperating from day one. But this kind of high-handedness, this kind of behavior of the Mumbai police against Arnab Goswami is extremely shocking and disturbing for all journalists, including me. Because this is not the way you do it. He's not a terrorist. He's not a murderer. You might have cases against him. I don't know what are the cases you have against him. But the fact of the matter is, there is a cooperation that Arnab Goswami has been given from day one. There's a cooperation that the Republic TV and the staff have been giving from day one. So where have they gone beyond their responsibilities towards ensuring justice is done? You're not wrong in wanting to have a case. What you are wrong in, as far as the Mumbai police is concerned, is in this theatrics that you are doing right now. You are taking an honest journalist and you are taking him to that level of putting him as a terrorist and as a murderer. And that is unfair. And I hope the people of the country will look at this. Because this is what happens when you actually go out to seek the truth. And it's absolutely disturbing, and I think the people across, Indians across the world, must wake up to the reality of what fascism is all about. Because this is one institution driven by the intent of the government, having certain cases that are filed against him to try and bring Republic TV down to put Arnab Goswami in jail. I've said this from day one, that the intent is to put Arnab Goswami in jail. They will dig out every dirt, they will find out every dirt, and they will pin him by the law. Now this can only be won in court. And the people of India must come out and support the truth.
No, but even as the law
And the
is
truth is
concerned,
Arnab is not a terrorist. Arnab is not a murderer. Sorry, go ahead.
no, even when the law is concerned, surely there are some checks and balances and processes to be taken care of. What do you make especially of the very threatening and intimidating behavior of the police? Under no circumstances are they supposed to behave like this.
You see, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying at the end of the day, he's not a terrorist. He's not a murderer. He has been cooperating. You don't turn up at his house, without intimation and just drag him away. You don't physically assault him. We're talking about a man who's made himself available. He's not on the run. No Republic staff has been on the run. So why do you behave in this high-handed manner? Are you trying to send out a message to the rest of the country that we will deal with anybody who speaks against the government in this manner? Then that's fascism. Because there is a polite way to do it. And whatever the Mumbai police has done, and it's unfortunate that an institution such as the Mumbai police
is being, one second Sabir, the power of the state or the power of the police is being put on full public display.